Hey everyone, Donnie here. Hey, I wanted to put this clip together. It's just going to be a short 1-minute clip. This is for a fundraiser for St.Jude Hospital. Hey, this place was opened back in 1962 by Danny Thomas, and he had a dream that no child should die in the dawn of their life. So as a parent, especially a person that I've struggled with health issues, I can't imagine these children at a young age and they haven't even got to start off on their life yet. So guys, if you can at least donate a little something, $1 a day, anything would be awesome. I donate 15% of what this channel makes on monetizing ever since the channel started. So fundraiser going right now on YouTube. All you have to do is click a button on the channel and just donate right there. Thanks everyone, and don't forget to donate today.